Counting squares and triangles in a figure is one of the most popular math puzzle on internet these days. The lesson to learn here is that these puzzles are extremely helpful in giving you a visual understanding of the permutations and combinations. In this figure, you have to count the total number of squares. Feel free to pause the video to think. If you have solved it before, then move on to the next puzzle. Here is the solution. Let us first ignore the squares in the middle. Is there a formula to finding the number of squares in a say, n cross n square? A 1 cross 1 square will have a total of 1 square. A 2 cross 2 square will have 1 big square. It will also have 4, 1 cross 1, smaller squares. So, it will have 1 plus 4 equal to 5 squares. A 3 cross 3 square will have 1 big square. It will also have 3 into 3, that is 9, 1 cross 1 smaller squares. You will notice that it also has 2 cross 2 squares. The number of 2 cross 2 squares will be 4. It seems that there is a pattern to it, and indeed there is. The total number of squares in a n cross n square will be n square plus n minus 1 square and so on, to plus 1 square. This is simply the sum of squares of first n positive integers. This summation is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Let us consider a 10 cross 10 square. There will be one 10 cross 10 square. Note that there will be 4, 9 cross 9 squares. There will be 3 into 3, that is 9, 8 cross 8 squares and so on. For the given figure, it is a 4 cross 4 square, so the number of squares will be 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is 30. Now, let us count the number of squares in the middle. A 2 cross 2 square will have 1 plus 4, that is, 5 squares. There are 2 such squares, so they together have 10 more squares. So, the total number of squares in this figure will be 30 plus 10, 40 squares. Let us move to the math puzzle number 2. Can you find the number of squares in this figure? This is a bit irregular and doesn't follow a pattern. In such cases, as this one, you have to use brute force to find the answer. There is one big square in the middle. It has been shifted sideways in all 4 directions. So we have 5 big squares. It is rather easy to see that there are 5 small squares. So, that makes it 10. There is one more square which usually people miss. Did you find it? There is one bigger square. So, there are a total of 11 squares. Here I will leave you with one puzzle to solve on your own. This is a 5 cross 5 square. So the number of squares will be 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, that is 55 squares. Now I remove the 4 corner squares. How many squares do you think are there? For more such videos, don't forget to like, share or subscribe. Thanks for watching.